What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen not responding to touches issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now click on restart icon again to restart your phone, and after restarting it will fix your issue. But if you are still facing the issue on your screen, then enable touch sensitivity. So for that, open settings, scroll down and here click on display, and then in display scroll down and click on touch sensitivity button to turn it on. So after turning on this button, it will increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protector. Now after turning on this button, if you are still facing the issue, then if you have installed a screen protector on your screen, then remove that protector. So maybe the protector is the reason the screen is not responding to touches. But after removing the screen protector and all other solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is check for software updates for your phone. So first of all, open settings, scroll down and click on software update. Now click on download and install. Now from here you can check the software updates. So if there is any pending update, then update your mobile software to latest version, and after updating your mobile software, the screen not responding issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.